Hello everyone, thanks for visiting my Patreon page. I'm just starting to build it out. I really appreciate this tier of support that you can offer for my channel. I'm looking to have some unique items here that I won't be putting on YouTube. This comes in the form of some more intimate details and sort of private details about my life that I usually don't like to just blast out on public YouTube, but I'm more than happy to talk to folks who are taking the effort to be a supporter of mine. I can be a little more frank and honest about my background and my situations. I'm also going to be having some treats. I plan on having sort of a weekly postcard with either a memory of some really awesome RV memories and RV trips I've done in the past, or one that's real time while I'm actually traveling. Right now, I'm not always traveling, and when I'm traveling, I do want to put out a special postcard just to my supporters here on Patreon and give them a little more background on the trip. It'll probably be a little more real time and updated than the stuff I put on YouTube, which often is a week or two behind the event actually happening. Patreon should be updated a little more real time. Of course, I'll give you a shout out as you become a supporter. I'd like to thank you on the video by whatever your screen name is there on Patreon. Let me know if you don't want me to do that. As I'm traveling, I'll definitely be open to meetups with Patreon supporters. And as my subscriber list grows, I might actually do YouTube-based meetups. But right now, I think that's a little overwhelming for me. I'd rather meet with folks who are direct supporters like you. And I will be hosting some Zoom sessions. I'm still coming up with the logistics and how I'm going to plan to do that, but I'm planning to do a once-a-month Zoom session. It'll likely start off with being tailored towards Ember owners, people who own the Ember RV or are interested to hear about the Ember RV, where we can talk about our experiences, maybe have some folks talk about things that they've done to their Ember RV or things they've discovered. So a user group, so to speak, I'm trying to create. I just have to go through the details a little bit more, and it's been a really hectic month for me to plan that. My subscribers will obviously be allowed to come to the Zoom session without having to pay anything extra, and I'll still be charging a couple of dollars for the Zoom session for folks who are not subscribers, and that's mainly just to weed out the people who shouldn't be there. In other words, anybody can afford a couple of bucks, and if that's too hard, then they probably shouldn't participate in the session. So if you want to become a supporter, you can join as one of Joe's Road Trippers. It's a basic $5 a month subscription, and of course you can cancel whenever you want. So maybe try out that one first. And like I said, I'll probably be creating some more tiers and interesting opportunities for folks who want to get more involved with the channel. Thanks, everyone.